Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to zip a folder in Linux by using command as well as the normal way. So let's get started. So first I will show you with the help of Linux command, okay. So here I'm having a folder named as data, and inside that I'm having another subfolder named as data2, and within that I'm having a text file. So I'll be showing you how to zip the entire directory data, okay. So for this, just go to the location of that folder and just right click and click on open in terminal. And here you need to use the zip command, okay. It's going to be zip space -r, which makes us to zip all the contents present in that particular folder to be zipped along with it. And here you need to specify the zip file name, okay. So I will just name it as new zip or new z dot, and with the extension .zip, okay, space. After that you need to specify the folder name that you want to zip. So in my case it is data, so after that space data and hit enter. So these are the contents that will be present inside our zip file. So here you can say that I'm getting an automatic zip file over here. So if I just now right click it, and here you can see the contents, okay, it has data, data2 as well as a text file. So the entire folders and sub files present inside the folder data has been zipped. And in case if you want the manual way, you can just simply right click this, and here you'll be having this option called as compress. Select it, and you can select the format that you want, the name that you want, and just click on create. Yeah, so exact same thing, it will be also getting a zip file over here in the same folder and with the same contents as well. So here you can see that it does also have the exact same thing. You can choose the manual way or the shortcut way depending upon your use case. So I hope you would have found this video useful. I've also done many other tutorials in Linux, C, C++, Java, Python, CRUD using MongoDB, MySQL and Node.js. So do check the playlist of my channel, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.